Hi everyone. I know it's been a while, just a little while, a little over a year, just a little bit of time, but I am just honestly coming back because I've missed talking to you guys, and I feel like this is a good place to express myself and how I feel and just talk to you guys about my day-to-day life. And I don't know. I saw a comment that was like, "Where'd you go? I miss your videos." And I thought that was really cute. And that is when I started going on my channel and kind of really deciding what I wanted to keep doing with it. So here I am, and I'm gonna be trying to post weekly-ish. I have like a job and an internship and I'm in school, but I'm gonna try my best to keep up with this. If you guys haven't been here before, my name is Tori and this is a fashion, beauty, lifestyle channel, and I am just starting to get back into making videos, and you guys will be receiving tons of New York City vlogs and fashion content. So this was my outfit today. I dressed like my grandpa. I just wore these baggy jeans, this black shirt, my chain, and like combat boots, I guess.
So I left my apartment and I had to stop by Starbucks so I could get caffeine in me for the day, because what's a day of work without coffee? Then I had to go to Marc Jacobs and grab this bag I ordered. They didn't have it in store, so they got it shipped in for me, and honestly, I'm really obsessed with it. It's so cute.
One of y'all has got to stop me from shopping. I picked up my bag from Marc Jacobs today and I just went to this cute little store. Yeah.
After that, I finished my walk and went home.
So I'm filming this part in my bathroom because my dishwasher is running, but here are my unnecessary purchases of the day. So I ordered this bag from Marc Jacobs a few days ago, but they didn't have it in store, so they shipped it in for me, which I'm so happy they had it in stock because it's a collaboration. So a lot of the times they run out really quickly with those kind of things, like fashion brands. So I was happy I got my hand on this. And then I was walking home from work and there was this like store with different vendors and brands and stuff inside it, and it looked really funky and cool. So I went in and then I bought this necklace. So I'm gonna show you guys this bag. I haven't opened and super looked at it yet, but I know you guys have seen it on Instagram. The My Life is Crap. It's a Magda Archer x Marc Jacobs collab. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I wanted this bag so badly, and I guess bag secured or whatever. I just love the detailing on that bag, and I don't know. I have a problem with buying, I guess. So here we are, and I got this little Libra plated necklace, and I got that because I'm a Libra. Comment your zodiac sign down below. I'm so into zodiacs. I ask everyone theirs and I ask for people's charts, and yeah, so that's what I got today. And now I'm just gonna hang with my friend and watch Real Housewives, and that's one of my favorite things to do. If you watch Real Housewives, please message me because we're meant to be best friends. That's just it. Also, I'm dressed like my grandpa today. I'm literally wearing this, and he used to wear these kind of rings too. And I'm wearing woohoo, these kind of boots and just baggy boyfriend jeans. And so I'll keep you guys updated. I just love all the colors. And I just felt this, my life really do be crap sometimes. So I felt like this was very necessary to have in my collection. And I've been wanting it forever. And It's pretty big, so you can fit a good amount of stuff in here. So that is my justification for buying it. But it's already done, so.
Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more, and my Instagram and TikTok will be linked down below. They're both at Tori Chaos.